Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit diagram shown with op amp. In the op amp circuit shown, the load current IL is equal to, what is the value of IL for this circuit? Okay, and it has given that one op amp, and it has not mentioned whether it is ideal or practical. So by that time we can take always ideal op amp. So ideal op amp is going to be having one important characteristics, which implies nothing but whose open loop voltage gain is infinite. Whose open loop voltage gain is going to be treated infinite, that can be defined as V0 divided by input difference voltage VID. So from this one we can write it as VID is equal to V0 divided by A. That is V0 divided by infinite, which is nothing but something by infinite is always 0. So VID is equal to 0, and VID is nothing but voltage at non-inverting terminal minus voltage at inverting terminal. V plus minus V minus. From this one we can write it as voltage at non-inverting and voltage at inverting terminal are always same. This situation is going to be called as virtual short. Virtual short between the op amp terminals. Okay. Now we are going to get IL value for this one. For the given circuit we are going to calculate IL value. So first step what we are doing is nothing but we will apply KCL at across non-inverting terminal as the first step, and next step is nothing but we will apply the KCL across the inverting terminal, and then we are going to equate both the things. Okay, then you are going to be getting the value for the IL. So step 1, apply KCL at inverting terminal. So across inverting terminal, that is nothing but across inverting terminal voltage across this one is nothing but make it as V minus. Okay, so here we can write it as V minus minus Vs divided by R1 plus V minus minus V0 divided by R1 is equal to 0. From this one both are going to be having denominators as R1. R1 will get cancelled as it is going towards right side. So we can write from this one V minus is equal to 2V minus 2 times of V minus is equal to V0 plus Vs. This is what equation 1. Okay, and now we are going to apply step 2. Step 2 is nothing but now apply KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, at non-inverting terminal. Non-inverting terminal, which implies nothing but where the voltage we are assuming it as V plus. Okay, voltage at non-inverting terminal as V plus. So here V plus minus 0, this is divided by R2 plus IL. Directly we are going with this current IL. Okay, outgoing current is always positive, plus V plus minus V0 divided by R2 is equal to 0. Okay, and where here if you are going with this is V plus by R2, this is also V plus by R2, so you can write it as 2 V plus by R2, 2 V plus by R2 plus IL minus V0 divided by R2 is equal to 0. Okay, so from this one now use equation 1 for the V plus. Since because of virtual short we can say that on always voltage at inverting and non-inverting terminals are same, so that V plus is equal to V minus, so you can write this equation as 2 times of V plus also. So V0 plus V plus Vs, V0 plus Vs is nothing but 2 times of V plus. So this 2 times of V plus now replace with V0 plus Vs divided by R2 plus IL minus V0 divided by R2 is equal to 0. So V0 by R2, here minus V0 by R2, both will get cancels. Okay, V naught by R2 minus V naught by R2 both will get cancels. What you are going to get is nothing but Vs by R2 plus IL is equal to 0. From this one you can get the value of IL is equal to Vs minus Vs divided by R2. So this is the value for the load current IL. IL is equal to minus Vs by R2. Minus Vs by R2 is nothing but the right option for this question is A. Thank you.